Okay. Nevertheless, another one supplementary through you, Mr. Speaker, sir. We all know the fact that one of the main cause of traffic congestion around Modfront area is because there is no free flow of vehicle on the road through ThemMetor. And that is because of the barricade placed at Bimola Junction for more than 6 years now. May I know from the Honorable Minister, what is the mind of the government about in regards to this barricade? What reason you are erecting this barricade till date?
So about this, we had a meeting last month about this. So I think shortly we'll be taking a call as a government on these issues.
Honourable Speaker.
Yes, please.
The course of the reply of the Honourable Deputy Chief Minister, President Tinsong, he said that regarding Barnihat and setting up an industrial area, they will take a call and all stakeholders will be taken on board and discussions will be made before taking a final call. In this case also, we know that the Annong Light Park and Wards Lake are the lungs of the city. Therefore, before going into any stage where there will be the cutting of trees and other aspects of the widening, will in this case the Minister consider taking all advice or suggestions on board for the same reason.
So, point is noted, Mr. Speaker, by the suggestion of the honourable member.
So, in that case, are we to understand that the DPR will proceed as per decided by the department?
Mr. Speaker, sir, the DPR will proceed ahead, but finally we will see whether it is feasible or not.